Okay, so today I'm going to prepare breakfast and with veggies. Let me just move that breakfast here. Okay. Oh, towel. I just realized that I have more ingredients than usually. Both works. So that's challenging because it looks like I have more than 5 ingredients, so that's a challenge for me. And I'm going to start with onion. So the idea is to just saute the onion, add some grape tomatoes, and of course asparagus. I think I'm going to start with asparagus, but this is like challenging. Oh, this is better. Because it takes the longest to be ready to eat, so that's my logic. And it's for the rest of the ingredients, I want to wash them without cutting. Actually, I'm going to cut some pans of asparagus. I'm just debating, do I need like 2 frying pans or just 1? We can decide just of asparagus because this one is different in size compared to this. So my thinking is maybe I should use 2 pans instead of 1 for equal results. I don't like this yellow part, green part, so I'm going to remove it. I mean, if you don't mind, you can just, they can stay, you know, you can keep them, but I don't like them. Yeah, this one is like, okay. Oh, wow, my eyes. Okay, so now it's time to heat up the pan. I just like to have a pan for this, but I need to wash it, so I'm going to use another one. This one. I've seen it before. And I think for asparagus, I'm going to use that one. So, medium and timer 3 minutes. And this one as well. I think no, it's almost the same. Okay, so right now it's time for a little bit of washing. And this for grape tomatoes. Yeah, do it kind of like that. Or you can just use the knife. Whoa, I just cut the asparagus on the fly. So these smaller pieces, enough for the pan. Yeah. Okay, so I'm good with this. And I also need some, well, let's use that. The idea is to use all of them, okay? Yeah, the idea is to use all of them. Okay, so I'm ready, but the pans aren't ready. So I'm going to put slices into the toaster like that, and maybe like 4, or maybe 3.5, because 4, like that. And prepare the bowls for eggs. This one should go here, I guess. Okay. So my thing is that I'm going to use this pan for onions and then spinach, and then after that I'm going to add grape tomatoes. And here is just only for asparagus and for the eggs later. So I'm going to asparagus to this pan as the last step, and then use this pan for scrambled eggs. Yeah. What I'm doing right now is I'm trying to distribute the olive oil evenly, and and of course on it. So let's start with the eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put here. I think this one is almost ready. Look at the flames. So I'm going to add asparagus here. Whoa. That was scary. Let's change. Is there a flame here? Yeah. So I changed the heat to medium low. I'm a little bit scared, to be honest. Oh, and this one. I just like that my feet are there. So if I need fire, I just need to grab one. So I need to get one. Oh. Okay, so I think the situation is better. Nothing to worry right now, I guess. Whoa, that was scary. Even for me. I mean, I usually start, so I'm surprised that I handled the situation so well. I think I need tongs. Longer one. Look at this. I think it needs more minutes, but let me handle this one. I see a little bit browning here. Whoa, what's happening? Oh, water. I think this frying pan is small. I thought this is like a saute pan, I guess. I think I changed my mind. I'm going to add grape tomatoes here, next to asparagus. Like that. Well, I think this little pan for grating would be better than this, but this is what I have right now, so. Well, the problem with this, with my idea here, is that spinach has a lot of water because I washed the spinach before the cooking. So that's why the onion doesn't brown anymore. So I need to wait until water evaporates. My bad. Let me grab this. One more. Maybe 5 minutes. Just give it like 2 minutes. What about this? I'm looking for this one. I just realized that I found the toaster and I didn't notice. Oh. What I like to do with my toast is to cut into pieces to give me the impression that I have a lot of parts on my plate. Oh, let me change the size of asparagus. Love it. This is the result I'm aiming for, so everything according to plan. This one is tricky to change sides, you know, because of that shape. Look at this, what's happening here. It's almost the same structure as for the real pan. This goes to the fridge. And what else do I want to do? Oh, I'm going to add some, where is it? No, freeze dry. Another one, where is like, oh, garlic, this one. Garlic here. And I was thinking maybe I should add some cheese. Look at this, the grape tomatoes are better here. I need a little bit more browning. So I get with parmesan here. I don't like the smell, like the food. Oh, I just realized that. I need to add some scrambled eggs here. What's that? Let me. Okay, I'm gonna add it here. I think this one is ready. And what else? Well, this is for this one, right? A little bit of stirring. And this one goes to. This for me. I love brownish effect. Wow. That. This one goes here like that. Yeah, I need to work on my plate. Maybe here is a better place. Oh no, this is not the recycle. It's like trash. It's here. Whoa. Off. So this is the result. Smaller portion and bigger portion. So thanks for watching and happy cooking.